What is it? Alia? Are we here at the airport? Yeah, Alia. And then we're gonna go on the airplane, then we're gonna go to Japan. Okay, Alia? Okay, Mommy. Okay, let's go on the airplane. Alright, Mommy. Alright, Alia. Okay. Hi. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi, my name is Alia. Hello, hi. Hi. So I'm gonna sit beside Alia. Right. Can I have food to eat, Mommy? What is it, Alia? Alia, you have to eat, okay, Alia? Okay, Mommy. Alright, Alia. It's time to eat. Okay, Alia? Okay, Mommy. And before we had to go to Japan, okay, Alia? Okay, Mommy. Alright, Alia. Now we're here. Yay, we're in Japan, Mommy. Alia, wait a second.